po sa second order, bigyan mo po ng away. Okay po? Para tuloy-tuloy tayo sa ating programa. Ito lang po natin. Ito, isa pong kababayan natin. Alam niyo kung saan siya galing? From Sultan Kudarat!
Siya kaisot ating taga Sultan Kudarat pre.
Christiano, Catholic, pero we are living harmoniously in Mindanao with Muslim. And by the way, sinulat ko talaga yung speech ko today kasi na-stress talaga ako for how many nights ako nakatulog. Sabi ko, I want to share. I want to testify talaga no, kung ano ang work ni President Duterte. Nakatulungan niya talaga kami sa not just in the Philippines and also in our province. So I am Mary Antoinette. I'm from Isulan, Sultan Kudarat, Mindanao, Philippines. And if you don't mind, I want to share a bit of background of my life. My father is a police officer in Sultan Kudarat. He's a former chief of police in North Cotabato and also been assigned in different dangerous area of Sultan Kudarat. Before Duterte presidency, my father's salary is not enough for 4 college students. My mother is a housewife and we only live a simple, normal life in the Philippines. My father always told us how drugs destroy family and person's life.